This photo of a woman hanging laundry was taken sometime during the early 1940s at the Tulare migrant camp near Visalia, California. This is the Peacock family home with quilts airing outside. They were part of the New Deal rural rehabilitation program in the 1930s and 40s. In 1931, wash day meant hauling water, heating it over an open fire, scrubbing clothes by hand in a steaming cauldron, and hanging everything on the line to dry. John Basita was known as a single shacker in an Iron County, Michigan community during the Great Depression, living alone and struggling to get by. An American Laundry, dry cleaning wagon boy making deliveries and pickups in Birmingham, Alabama, 1914. The year is 1939, Edinburgh, Texas, and the only place to dry laundry for migrant workers is the mesquite bushes. In the early days, the entire school pitched in to keep the place running smoothly. Here, laundry workers diligently tend to their tasks. Lancaster, Massachusetts. In 1943, barbed wire fences in Penasco, Taos County, New Mexico, doubled as clotheslines, a practical solution in hard times. The Palace Laundry in Washington, D.C., 1918. Cleaning, pressing, and dyeing. Shirts 15 cents, collars 3 cents. Elmer Thomas was a migrant worker from Oklahoma headed for California. He's tying his laundry bag to the mirror. Take a look at that hood ornament. These women wash laundry in a camp for evicted sharecroppers. Life here was hard, and daily work was a constant struggle. Another group of ladies in the laundry room getting the job done at the Tulare migrant camp in California. A woman hanging laundry outside her home, letting the wind do part of the work in Austin Homestead, Minnesota. It's 1936. It's 1939, and Lonnie Smith's wife and daughter are doing laundry at the newly built smoke and laundry house at Flint River Farms, Macon County, Georgia. A woman and kids relax by their car as the laundry dries on the line. She is possibly part of a group of farm workers. Older ladies working in a laundry hand ironing. Imagine having a job ironing for 8 hours a day. This photo is of schoolgirls working in the laundry at the Fort Spokane boarding school. Working in the laundry was part of their chores. I'm unsure of the date. The clothes of a white agricultural laborer's family is hung over the fence to dry north of Sallisaw, Sequoyah County, Oklahoma, 1939. The Oak Grove Trailer Park Laundry Room in 1941. The park was mostly occupied by defense workers living near Detroit, Michigan. A tenant farm worker's wife does the family laundry in the backyard. They are in Greene County, Georgia in 1941. A woman and her son hanging laundry on a line at a trailer camp project for African Americans in 1942. Carl Thorson's wife does the laundry at home after farming was no longer possible for them during the Great Depression. They ended up moving to Crosby, North Dakota. Jefferson, Texas, 1939. Quilts from a family on relief dry on the line, a quiet glimpse of hard times. The whole gang from the Cape Cod Laundry in West Yarmouth, Massachusetts, posed for this 1917 photograph. And we finish this video with this. The happy laundry girls who make clothes, quote, sweet as a rose and white as snow, end quote. 1891. Thank you so much for watching.